Welcome to the channel. Last time we calculated a factor analysis which was calculated for each row of the table independently of the other. Today we will look at a way to calculate factor analysis that will sum the result of each row in the table. For better performance, we write the calculated column not through summarized but through columns. Also, if your data is very voluminous and there is a need to use many directories, such a table can be prepared not in a measure but in a physical calculation table, and there you can use not cross-join and but, say, union. The result is summed up. In the same way we add to other factors. Let's add a summary of the factors.